Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how can you make a login form in C# using SQL Server database. So first of all, we need to install the SQL Server 2012, 2002, 2007. Each and every version you have to install it. It's easy to download from Oracle websites, and other websites will provide you to install the SQL Server database. It's a big database as compared to MySQL and SQLite. So we need to start first of all SQL Server. So first of all, we need to make a database about login form, and then this is actually user credentials. So for I have 2012 SQL Server Management Studio. This is the Microsoft platform, and this is very big. So I have a server name here. I connect it with the local server, then go towards on database, and I have already made a lots of database, but I need to create a new database. So I just operate the queries and then make the database. So first of all, I have an editor, and here to create a database and give the database name like alright, and execute this query through F5 key stroke. And after all, I just use this database login form in SQL. Alright, and then we make this table, create table, give the table name like login log underscore grid. Alright, this is my table name, and then we should apply the ID. First column, I am just going to and make the attributes of this table. So first I have ID, and the get type is int, and it is primary key. This is a constant, and that is identity is also I provided. After that, I just make new column called username, and this username is the format is waka 50, and the other one is password waka 50. So this is my table, and just I made it here. So this is, and I can see this table through another query called select. This is all the DML queries: select, insert, update, delete, and we have a lots of queries about the DDL, DCL, but I'm not using this part. From select asterisk from, and this is the log underscore grade. So this is the bit name like log. Here I just execute this query. So this is the login credential, and I have this table, right, and I just insert the values. Here I just need to apply the values. First of all, I checked it. Username is my John, and the password is 123. Alright, so this is the worker type, so we need to use this. Here I made this table, and this is my actually simple table, and I need to make an application about the login form. So we need to go to it, and we need to open the IDE, integrated development environment called Visual Studio. So this is, I have 2013 Visual Studio. This is the Microsoft platform, and it's a very big IDE about ASP.NET, about Windows Store app application and Windows Form application. You can use as Windows Azure server also. So this is the SQL Server, ASP.NET, Windows Phone, all of these things you can make it. So I just need to open a new project, and because I'm making on the Windows Form application, here you can see this in the case of template and Visual C Sharp. Here this is the Windows app form application, and I just give the name is login underscore SQL. So this is my application, and I just use these controls. As you familiar with the all the controls are of the forms, and here is the form. You can create big and small. So here we just need to open this toolbox and apply the label, text box, button. All the controls are made on the AppNGL element. There is mathematics software canvas, and this is a big thing. So this is my label first, and I give this label user name, this is my second credentials called password, and this is my third one is login. So here I just made it this application, and now second thing is that go towards on the form load if you want to work on it, or otherwise I just click on the button. When the click on button, it's something has happened, and I just make this event on the login form. So when you are going towards on click, so you can click on double, so then you can apply all the events, all the code on this event, or just we go towards on the double click on login form, and then here I just need to use the package. It's called using system dot data. Here's the data. This is the, are you familiar with ADO.NET? Activates data object. So here I just use this control of this package, and here I should use, here I can use all the classes about this project or this package. So first of all we make the connection. When they click, then connect the database. So I have Sql server. So what happened, I just make the connection, Sql connection, here is Sql connection, and make this object equal to new. If you are not familiar with this, it's not coming towards on the drop down list, so you should to check this package, then you can use this new Sql connection, and here I just click alright. So we need to go connect to database. So this is our database. So I just delete our previous data type, and I just click the connection, add connection. My server name is this, and what is the you can see where is the database login form application. So I just click and paste it, click test connection, yes, and I just connected to my database login form in SQL, right? So this is the login form in SQL. Click on it. So we have lots of resources, but I just go towards on this and right click, click on this part, properties, and then paste it here. Now your database has been connected, right? And just click on connect.open. This is the method to open your connection, and then I just use SQL command, equal to new SQL command. This command will tells you your query according to the SQL. I just use select asterisk for all, select asterisk from my table name. My table name is that log and credential. So copy it and then paste it from this, where the username, and password. So this is the password. So username is equal to, here you can see this is single quotation, it is about this single quotation, all right, and the text box value get from the string value, so we need to use double quotation. And here we can use concatenation operator. This is plus plus, and here we can use text box one dot text. The second thing is that here is the password, and this is a single quotation about the value according to the database, and this is the double quotation about the carrying value in string from the text box. So this is the concatenation operator. So this can be done, and provide the string of parameter about the connection. So here you can see this is connection, we made it. Now we should read the data through data SQL data reader. dr equal to, and this is the dr equal to cmd dot command according to the skill command. This is the execute reader, and then we initialize a one variable according to the count, and then we use while loop. In case of while, we should use dr dot read, and this dr dot read equal to count plus equal to 1, and this is count read. As you see this is count read. It means that it count the variable, and then if here we can see this is the if condition, and here we can say count equal to, and then this is the count equals 1. So we should open the another form. How can it open? We should create the new open form, Windows form. Here is Windows form application, and this is the form 2, and I edit. This is the welcome screen. After all, it will open this form. So first of all, we need to open the message box dot show. Okay, and then we should to give a message box dot show, and other one is the third one, like that, form 2. Form 2 object. After that, f2 dot show. This is our object, and then we should to make f2 dot show this dot visible equal to false, and here we can see the if condition, and else if count is greater than 1, and then here we can apply the message box. So this is if your database value will duplicate, so it print this message. Show, sorry, we need to use concat not operator like dot, and this is the duplicate get value. Username and password. After else, so message box dot show. Here we can see this duplicate username and password. This is the incorrect username and password, and after that our text box value dot clear, and then text box 2 dot clear. So I need to execute this query first of all, and then we see what happening here. So here is error regarding this is form 2 and this what happened, right? We just check it now. and this is the select asterisk from this login source SQL data reader. I just check it. Here you can see this is our error, and I just apply this big uppercase letter and then start this application. And now my application has been running, and I just see this SQL database which John and 123, right? So I use John, this is John, this is uppercase letter, so be careful about it, and then give it 123 and click on login form. So you can see this is okay, and this is the form 2 has been shown. If I just write is and a duplicate value over there, so the one row factor here, and I just use two duplicate values, so what happening here, we see this. So when you execute the value or execute this program, so we need to apply this John again and 123. So what happening is provide you the message duplicate username and password. If you are apply the wrong password, is there is no in database, so just check it, so it will show you incorrect username and password. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you understand how to make login credentials in C# Windows application.